Hello friends, welcome to Bright Tutorials. Today's topic is Railway Group D Exam 2021 Part 2. Important, expected and repeated questions and answers. So let's start the session. First question. The national anthem was adopted by the Constituent Assembly in. So the answer is 24th January 1950. Second question. The Aga Khan Cup is related to which sports? So the answer is hockey. Next, third question. Which act is known as Charter of Slavery? So the answer is the Government of India Act 1935. Fourth question. In which state of India is Orang National Park situated? So the answer is Assam. Fifth question. World's longest land border is between which two countries? So the answer is Canada and USA. Next question. Who discovered that plants have life? So the answer is J.C. Bose. Sixth question. Reserve Bank of India was founded in which of the following year? So our answer is 1935. Seventh question. Which of the following veins does not carry deoxygenated blood? So the answer is pulmonary vein. Eighth question. With which country India shares longest border? So the answer is Bangladesh. Next, ninth question. Who discovered that plants have a life? So the answer is J.C. Bose. 10th question. Wheeler Island has been renamed as. So the answer is Abdul Kalam Island. 11th question. Who is the chairman of the Life Insurance Corporation of India? LIC. So the answer is M.R. Kumar. 12th question. What is the capital of Bhutan? Answer is Thimphu. Next. 13th question. Black Revolution is related with the production of dash. So the answer is petroleum. 14th question. Who wrote the book The Paradoxical Prime Minister? So the answer is Shashi Tharoor. 15th question. Which state of India does not get the border from Pakistan? So the answer is Himachal Pradesh. 16th question. Battle of Plassey was fought in the year. So the answer is 1757. Next question. 20th question. 20th question. Next question. The allocation of seats in the present Lok Sabha is based on which of the following census? Answer is 1971. 18th one. Who acted as the chairman of drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 19th one. Which country is known as the land of midnight sun? Answer is Norway. Next. 20th question. Who was the last Mughal emperor? Answer is Bahadur Shah II. Next question. Who was the founder of the Gadar party? Answer is both A and B, means Hardayal and Sohan Singh Bhakna. 22nd question. Which is the first newspaper of India? Answer is Bengal Gazette. Next question. How many times has the President of India declared financial emergency so far? So the answer is never. 24th question. Who is known as the father of India unrest? So the answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 25th question. Where is the Cardamom Hills located? So the answer is Kerala. Okay friends, still more competitive exams related information videos will be uploaded in next video. So please watch our channel and subscribe the channel. Press the bell button, do like, share and comment. Thank you.